If you are learning crypto but struggling with emotion or confusion, then this platform is for you. Namaskar, myself Devashish Mandal and I am the creator of Trader Devada. I create psychology first, responsible crypto education in Bengali language for beginner trader. I don't just talk about indicator or profit, I focus on trading psychology, fear, greed, overthinking and emotional decision making because that's where most traders actually lose money. I combine simple market logic with disciplined thinking in such a way that even a beginner trader from a small town can understand everything. My mission is simple. I want to help Bengali trader survive first, then grow next. What crypto topic or trading problem should I cover next? Let me know in the comments.
আজ follow করো Trader Devada, subscribe করো Trader Devada, trading site